This is Dave at F8 Real Estate Pros. I buy and sell properties virtually using my laptop and phone to close deals fast. I'm going to quickly explain what ARV means and how to quickly find it on any property as a real estate wholesaler. What does ARV mean? The ARV is the after repair value for a piece of property. This is what the property will be worth and what it can sell for once it is fully repaired. This is determined by getting what is known as the comparable property sales for that area. We call this comps for short. This number is very important because this is what we base our offer for the house on. You do not want to buy a house for $500,000 when the same type of houses in the neighborhood are selling for only $250,000. As a real estate wholesaler, we have to figure out the ARV fast and easy because a lot of times we are not located in the city we have the opportunity to buy the properties in. One way to get the ARV is if you have access to the MLS or what is known as the multi-listing service, or have a real estate agent to see what the recent comp sales were for that area. Since many real estate investors and wholesalers don't have access to the MLS, you can use other online real estate services to quickly get the ARV, and it is completely free. The online resources that we use are Realtor.com, Zillow.com, Realestate.com, iComps.com, and a few others to get the same ARV information that the MLS would have provided. The way that we do this is very simple. For example, someone calls you to buy their house, and it is a 1,500 square foot home with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Using Zillow.com, we put in the property's address. Next, we see what price similar houses have sold for in that area in the past 30, 60, 90 days, and sometimes up to 12 months or more if we need to. Using this information, we find that similar or comparable houses in that immediate area are selling for $330,000. That would be the ARV, or after repair value number, for that house. And that's all there is to it. It is not hard, and you can determine the ARV within minutes without spending a lot of money. Go and practice online with different addresses to see what the ARV will be. Bonus tip: if you use Zillow for comps, please do not use their Zestimate number to determine the comps. You would be way off. Only look at the recent sales. I hope that this has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and don't forget to like and share this video. Once again, thank you, and you have a great day.